Creating a beautifully organized sewing room doesn't require custom cabinetry or a massive budget. Achieve a professional studio look for less with these 8 clever IKEA hacks. Construct an ergonomic standing cutting table by positioning 2 Kallax shelving units back to back to create a spacious counter-height surface. This elevated setup eliminates the back strain often caused by low dining tables, ensuring a comfortable and healthy posture for extended fabric cutting projects. Protect your thread from the damaging effects of dust and sunlight by using a pegboard insert to transform an Alex drawer into a hidden, stable library. While wall-mounted thread racks look attractive, they expose your thread to dust and sunlight, which can degrade colors and weaken fibers. For sewers who need flexibility, a mobile sewing sidecar using the Roscog utility cart is ideal. This solution prevents spools from tumbling and keeps your collection perfectly organized, ensuring your fibers remain strong and vibrant. Keep small tools like scissors and tape off your desk by installing the affordable wall-mounted Sunnerster rail and container system. Adding clear labels to each bucket ensures every notion has a permanent home, taking the guesswork out of tidying up and keeping your creative zone chaos-free. Transform the Roscoggy cart into a mobile pressing station by patting the top to create a convenient surface for seated ironing. The shelves underneath provide accessible storage for your iron and starch, keeping your essential tools right at your fingertips. Combine a Carlby countertop with Alex drawer units to create a spacious, customizable workstation that easily fits both a sewing machine and a serger side by side. This heavy-duty setup offers generous legroom and the essential stability needed to minimize vibration and noise during high-speed sewing. Safeguard your acrylic rulers from scratches by utilizing a Scottish pegboard system to move delicate tools out of drawers and onto the wall. This vertical solution keeps items visible and organized above your machine, freeing up valuable desk space for fabric. For larger studios, construct a mobile work island by mounting multiple Kallax shelving units on a frame with industrial casters to create an expansive surface for quilting and pattern layout. This versatile setup allows you to roll the station to the center for all-around access or push it against a wall to maximize your floor space. Creating an organized sewing room is ultimately about finding solutions that improve your efficiency. With thoughtful planning, you can build a space that supports your creativity and makes sewing easier and more enjoyable. For more tips on IKEA hacks for organizing a sewing room on a budget, visit ilovequiltingforever.com and discover clever ideas to optimize your creative space.